This week, all eyes will be on the UK and the release of Consumer Price Index inflation data, due on Wednesday. Inflation is widely expected to have fallen to 2% in May, bringing it in line with the Bank of England's target rate. Whilst it might be too early to force the BOE to start cutting interest rates, as the Monetary Policy Committee meets the following day, it could pave the way for the first cuts to happen in August, or even July. Any clarification from the governor of the BOE could well cause some volatility in currency markets. The latest drop in CPI inflation could give a boost to Rishi Sunak as a safe pair of hands, given the vast drop the UK economy has experienced since its 11.1% peak in October 2022, following Liz Truss' catastrophic budget. The caveat is that the polls have Labour so far ahead that it may well be too little, too late for the Prime Minister. In terms of noteworthy market moves, pound sterling to US dollar dropped by over 1% to trade below 1.27 amid general risk-off sentiment and ongoing inflation and interest rate divergence. Regarding pound sterling to euro, the euro is suffering from the political instability in France, seeing levels above 1.18 for the first time since August 2022. Euro to US dollar is struggling, seeing the single currency trade back below 1.0750 for the first time since early May, due to political instability and the recent cuts in European interest rates. Ahead this week, on Wednesday, we have the UK Consumer Price Index. Inflation is forecast to have fallen to 2% in May. Any deviation from the forecast could provide volatility, as markets have priced a summer interest rate cut, linked to inflation finally reaching the 2% target rate. On Thursday, we'll see the BOE Monetary Policy Committee interest rate release. This is intrinsically linked to the previous day's CPI release. However, the bank will likely want to see a further drop in inflation, below 2%, or at least for the data to sustain at the target for longer, before taking any action. The following press conference could give signs of when the governor may take action though.